Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about the new Google updates, and I can tell you that this can be the most serious updates we can see. And if you are in the field of digital marketing from a very long time, so you may know about the Panda update, the Penguin update, and how they have affected the website. So this update is going to be so serious that they can have a very large scale impact on the Google search as well as the various websites. So in this particular video, we will discuss in detail about what are the different changes Google have did, what are the core updates they are going to bring with, and what are the areas it's going to affect. And then we are also going to see about the various impacts of their manual updates as well as other things as well. So let's start with the concept of today. The Google released massive search quality enhancements in March 2024, core update and multiple spam updates. So we have core updates as well as spam updates. So let's understand what are the main updates Google is going to do, and we will have a summarized version of here, then we will go into the detail. So Google extensive March 2024 core update tackles low quality content and introduces new spam policies targeting manipulative practices. So what is Google actually trying to do in this core update is, number one, the algorithm includes changes to improve search results quality and new spam policies. The update aims to reduce low quality unoriginal content search results by 40%, meaning Google is targeting a massive number of websites who don't have helpful content and basically low quality content. So 40% of the websites may have an effect. And new spam policy targets scale content abuse, site reputation abuse and expired domain abuse. And we will see in a while. This is just a brief summary points. We'll discuss in more detail by going on to this link. One of the main focus of March 2024 core update is enhancing the Google ranking system. So what was Google used to use in the past? They are going to enhance this ranking system. So on what basis? Now we are making algorithmic enhancements to our core ranking system to ensure we surface the most helpful information on the web and reduce unoriginal content in search results, says Elizabeth Tucker, Director of Product for Search at Google. Now, the company has been working on reducing unhelpful and original content since 2022, and March 24 update builds on those efforts. And if you see further, if you exactly like what they are going to change. Now, we believe these updates will reduce the amount of low quality site in the search, and overall the effect will be up to 40% of the websites are going to be affected with this update. And what are the new spam policies? Now, if you see what Google is doing is, we will take action on more types of this manipulative behavior starting today. While our ranking system keep many types of low quality content from ranking highly on search, these updates allow us to target under our spam policy. So specific spam content they are going to charge. And also scaled content abuse means there are so many websites who are using AI tools as well as they are generating lots of content with just changing some words or letters, and they're generating huge amount of content. So if companies are using automation and generating low quality and unoriginal content, they are going to be affected because of this update under scale content abuse process. And then site reputation abuse. Now, this is a very big challenge in the present market. Now, what is this challenge? Let me explain. Google is addressing the issue of site reputation abuse, where the trusted website hosts low quality third-party content to capitalize on the hosting site's strong reputation. For example, if you have seen nowadays, lot of old news websites, actually they are using this tactic where they abuse the system by providing their domain name to other companies, by providing their subfolder to other companies where they can rank very easily because of the brand authority. So Google is going to take action on this third-party websites who are hosting the content on brand authoritative websites. And then one more biggest problem is expired domain abuse. Now this was a very common tactic used by a lot of SEOs. They buy a expired domain with authority, and then they will buy the domain name with all the backlinks, and then they will pass it to their other irrelevant website with 301 backlinks. So that is going to be having an end once Google is going to update this particular option. And what Google says is this all updates will take approximately 2 months to complete. So starting from March and the next month, we will have a huge number of changes in your website. So you have to be careful when you are working on this particular update. So track your Google Search Console console on a daily basis and make sure that you are tracking all your traffic and data. Now, apart from it, let us see what is the other change Google is going to do. Now, in this update, under their link signal changes, what is Google going to do is, the first thing what Google is planning to do is Google de-emphasis on links, meaning links are important, but they are going to decrease the value of the backlinks. Content created for link manipulation, where you are creating content for link manipulation. New signal related to outgoing links. For example, if I'm a blogger and I'm giving a lot of outbound links to some other companies, so that is also a negative signal. And new expired domain signal, that is already there. So let's see this particular page and understand more about what is this update. And the previous documentation of Google was Google uses link as an important signal factor in determining the relevancy of backlinks. But in the new version, Google uses links as a factor. It is not an important factor. So that is a de-emphasis of the link. Number two, second option, content created for link manipulation. Now, this is a second link related addition to the guidelines. This new factor relates to content. Creating content for purpose of manipulative link. This is communicated in new sentence added to the list of manipulative links. And what is the new sentence is? Creating low value content primarily for the purpose of manipulating linking and ranking signals. So if you are creating this content for manipulation of backlinks or internal links kind of thing, so that will have a negative impact. And this is also new signal related to outgoing links. So what Google says, any links that are intended to manipulate rankings in Google search results may be considered link spam, meaning if I am a blogger and I'm giving backlinks to some other people without any logic, irrelevant backlinks, so that is going to be counted now as a link spam. This includes any behavior that manipulates links to your site or outgoing links from your site. For example, if I'm a blogger and if I'm a website owner, I'm buying thousands of backlinks from other companies, all right, so that is going to be effective, have a negative impact. Or if I'm a blogger, I am giving backlinks to other people, then also it's going to be have a effect. And already we discussed about expired domain, that is also going to have a negative impact as well. Now the third change which Google has brought here is, the third change is Google March 24 update, 6 insights on manual actions. Basically, again, Google have changed their manual action strategy. Number one, March 24 update qualifies as a major update. Sites that survived previous update didn't escape this one. Penalties happening faster. They are very quick penalties. Inconsistent communication about manual action. Google is not giving a proper data. And small AI content sites can receive a manual action and old sites getting a manual action. Let's see this particular data and understand more about what is this all about and how is Google providing this information. So let's see the data here. So first thing, what is this is, it's a qualifies a very big major update. So it will have a huge level impact on our SEO works. And let's see, sites that survived previous update is now being hit with this particular update, as we have already discussed. And moving forward, all right, penalties happening faster. Unlike in past, you may have an update now and after maybe 1 or 2 months you're getting penalized. But here, one of the user have said it seems Google search is very fast to implement the spam update this time. One of my friends site got completely de-indexed today morning. So the updates are happening very fast, and you are also getting manual action like pure spam right away on your website as well. So this is a very, and one more, one of the top SEO professionals have also tweeted. She said that, okay, 10 websites have been totally de-indexed. Some of the examples of the website also given here. And if you see further, all right, and see there is no results at all, and inconsistent. Google is not clear about all this data. All right, so let's see further. And small AI content. So earlier it used to be mostly targeting the big content sites, but now this update is targeting small content sites as well, which is very dangerous. And old sites getting a manual action as well. Some of the sites which were very old have also got hit with this update. So this is what you have to understand. Now see, in summarizing all this information, let's understand what is this update about. So March 2024 update is where Google is going to capture, okay, and hit the websites which are having very low quality content or AI generated content which don't add much value to the user. Number one. Number two, they are giving less emphasis to the links, okay. Number three, they are going to attack those authoritative websites who are giving content who are giving rental kind of thing of a subfolder or something, and they are just publishing articles on random topics, so they are going to get hit. And if you are creating lots of content and pages just for link manipulation, you may be hit. Or if you are buying too many backlinks from other bloggers, or you are giving backlinks on by payment to others, so you also are going to have an effect of this update. So you have to be tracking your Google Search Console and make sure that all these activities are like, see the graph, like what is happening, is it completely gone down? If yes, what is the reason? And if you have any content which is AI generated, I would recommend you first go to that content and make sure you delete that AI generated spam content. If you have AI generated basic content, first of all, I would recommend you to delete that. And if you are giving any backlinks to other people by taking money, I would recommend you to remove the backlink as soon as possible. So before this update is fully implemented, you will be safe side from all of this update. So this is very big update from Google. Let's see. I will also review this for 1 week of time and see what is the impact of this on our sites as well as client sites. And then I will also make another video where I will explain the aftermath of what has happened in 1 month of time, or in the 2 months of time, what has happened in the update. So I hope you understood this particular subject. So you're watching Web Trainings Academy channel. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. Thank you very much.